Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Security Update KB5083769, KB5082417.NET Framework not installing on Windows 11. First, run the PowerShell commands provided in the description. Search for PowerShell, right-click it, and run it as administrator. Click Yes, then paste and run each command one by one. Once done, restart your PC and check. If the issue persists, type Services in Windows Search and open it. Find App Readiness, double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, then Start if available, and hit OK. Right-click and restart it. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Windows Update. Now go back to Windows Update and click Retry if available. Still not fixed? Pause the update, then click Resume Updates and try again. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the 3 scan commands provided in the description one by one. Wait for each scan to complete, then restart your PC. If it still fails, use the Microsoft Update catalog. Search for KB5083769, check your Windows version using WinVer, and confirm your system type in Settings, About. Download the correct version and install it manually, then restart. Next, close all third-party apps. Disable antivirus temporarily and uninstall any anti-cheat tools like Vanguard, then restart and try again. You can also use fix problems using Windows Update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, then Recovery, and select Reinstall. This keeps your files intact. If nothing works, use the Media Creation tool from Microsoft's website. Download it, run the setup, select ISO file, save it, then open it from desktop and run setup. Follow the steps and keep personal files checked, then install. After installation, restart your PC and check the update again. One of these methods should fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Genie.